The human body is a vessel. We test its strength and durability in order to discover what we are truly capable of. Traditionally, our resiliency and hard work is met with extreme muscle pain that standard healing practices just can't resolve. This is why we proudly introduce the STRIG Mini, the second generation of our revolutionary recovery technology. Built by a team of physicians, the STRIG's unique ergonomic blade is designed with a convex shape that mirrors the surface of our skin, allowing microvibrations to comfortably send currents through the muscles to achieve maximum recovery. With the option of a USB-C charger or our portable charging dock, STRIG can care for our bodies while transporting us to those places unknown. At STRIG, we continue to be blown away by the immense support we receive from athletes, physicians, and everyday people around the globe. We took your feedback and found a way to create a new STRIG experience, carefully designed for those on the go. Take your health back. Get on the road to recovery and step towards new adventures with STRIG.